Diabetestelecare. You can understand your diabetes. First online portal exclusively for diabetes. Our goal is education, care, and prevention.
How to use an insulin pen. Insulin pens are growing in popularity, and many people with diabetes nowadays use a pen to administer insulin. The pens allow more simple, accurate, and convenient delivery than using a vial and syringe. Different brands and models of insulin pen are available. Most fall into two distinct categories: disposable and reusable. A disposable pen, this contains a pre-filled insulin cartridge. Once used, the entire pen unit is thrown away. A reusable pen, this contains a replaceable insulin cartridge. Once empty, a person discards the cartridge and installs a new one. Step 1. Remove the cover. If insulin is milky, roll to mix. Step 2. Get the needle ready. First, pull paper tab off pen needle. Then, screw needle onto insulin end of pen. After this, remove outer needle cover. Lastly, remove inner needle cover to expose the needle. Then throw the inner needle cover in trash after. Step 3, get the pen ready. First, prime the pen and clear air from needle. Turn the dose selector knob at end of the pen to 1 or 2 units. Then, hold the pen with needle pointing upward. Press dose knob up completely while watching for insulin drop or stream to appear. The dial should be back at 0 after completing the priming step. Step 4, turn dose knob to dial in your insulin dose. Step 5, select an injection site. The abdomen is the preferred place for many types of insulin. Other sites include top of thighs, back of upper arms. Step 6, inject the insulin. Step 7, prep the insulin pen for future use. Place outer needle cover over needle and twist to unscrew needle from pen. Throw used needle away in hard container. Put the outer needle cover back on the pen.